How did Edward Leedskalnin single-handedly build the coral castle and move multi-ton stones with no heavy machinery? Hidden in Homestead, Florida, the coral castle stands like a private temple carved from coral rock, a labyrinth of sculptures and impossibly balanced stones that draws engineers, tourists, and conspiracy theorists alike. Its creator, Edward Leedskalnin, a gaunt Latvian immigrant who arrived in America with little money and a big secret, labored alone for decades, chiseling, lifting, and assembling massive blocks with tools that look modest beside their quarry-built scale. The legend around Coral Castle is as powerful as the stones themselves. Fueled by the romantic story that Leedskalnin built the site for a lost love, and by his own cryptic claims that he had discovered a hidden knowledge of magnetism and leverage. Walk through the site, and you'll encounter a 12-ton gate so finely balanced it swings with a finger, a stone table, and chairs, an obelisk, a sundial, and curved walls that seem to defy the clumsy expectations of amateur masonry. Leedskalnin worked mostly at night and kept his methods secret, sometimes performing demonstrations for curious visitors, but never revealing the full set of techniques he used, which allowed myth and speculation to grow in the gaps he left. Engineers who have examined the work point to extraordinary patience, smart use of simple machines like levers, pulleys, and wedges, and a deep practical understanding of balance and counterweights rather than supernatural forces. Others, however, delight in stranger explanations, proposing magnetic anomalies, lost science, or even anti-gravity. Ideas that feed into the broader appetite for mysteries that challenge conventional engineering stories. What remains indisputable is the human scale of the achievement. One man, handful of tools, and years of solitary labor produced a place that continues to astonish and invite questions about what human determination and ingenuity can accomplish. The Coral Castle's aura is part workshop and part poem, an architectural love letter carved in stone that resists tidy explanations and instead rewards close attention and the slow, curious mind. Over the years, the site has been moved, preserved, studied, and turned into a museum where visitors can feel the weight of the stones and the weight of the rumor, both heavy in different ways. Whether you prefer a mechanical answer rooted in physics and craft, or a more romantic or mystical interpretation, Coral Castle remains a provocative reminder that not all craftsmanship submits easily to modern assumptions. The mystery of Coral Castle is less about uncovering a single trick and more about acknowledging how wonder persists where work meets secrecy, and how stories amplify the places we cannot fully explain. If you enjoyed this dive into Coral Castle, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below telling us which theory you find most convincing.